Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add admin on WhatsApp channel. First I open, then click on this update, again click on my channel. You can see this is my channel. So now you need to click on this name icon, then scroll down, then you can see this is a transfer ownership or just invite admin. Just click here. Now again click on invite. So here are the lots of person you can send invite. So I sent this person. Now click on OK. Again click on mm, enter OK. But if you want to change or write anything here, you can write here. But I don't need. Just click on enter. Wow, it's already sended. So if now if this person receive my invitation, the he are also admin in this channel. So if you found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe this channel so you can take care. Goodbye.